For today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it would be a good idea to share with you a trick that involves a magic wand. But in this case, it's a magic butter knife. And this trick is called card stab with knife. So you have a regular deck of cards, have a spectator select any card they like. Let's say they pick that card right there. They look at it, remember it. They don't show you, the magician, but they have to remember it or this card trick does not look good at all, okay? You take their card, place it somewhere in the middle of the deck, okay? Completely losing the location of the card. Give the deck a few cuts and even a nice shuffle and completely losing their card in the deck. Now, with a spectator, they can take this butter knife, magic butter knife, and as you riffle down the cards like this, they can stick the knife anywhere in the deck that they like, okay? So you riffle like this, they can stick it, let's say they stick right here, okay? So you have the knife in the deck, just like that. So, take the knife, and if we just pull it out, one card where the knife was stuck in the deck comes out, and what was the card that you picked? Was it the 4 of clubs? And that's card stab with knife. And before I tell you how to do it, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. It really helps this channel out. It's really simple to do. All you're doing, you're using a regular deck, and any butter knife will work. If you're at a restaurant or at a dinner table, just use a butter knife that's clean, no butter on it. Have a spectator select a card, and for this one, you're gonna need to get the card just to the bottom. So, have them take their card, look at it, you don't see it. You take it, place it somewhere in the top half of the deck, okay? And then when you push it in, and I'm exaggerating, you kind of pull up with your thumb, and that'll give you a nice break. And you can hold the break with the palm of your hand and the pinky, okay? And this is my left hand, I'm right-handed. So this is the break. Their card's on the bottom of the top stack. So what you do, once you have it in, say we're gonna lose it, we're gonna cut the cards, and so you just cut right here to the break, and then you have this packet of cards here still in your hand. Just divide those in half so you can cut, 3 times. So it just looks like you're completely losing their card, but it's actually right at the bottom, okay? Give the cards a shuffle, and you can shuffle as many times as you want, just as long as you keep their card on the bottom, which is just, shuffling their cards first. And now ask them to take the knife and then riffle through the cards like this. And when you do that, they'll just stick it in, okay? Slowly, it doesn't take too much force, all right? You can lift up the deck just like this, because all you're gonna do is with your middle finger of your right hand, you're holding the knife kind of like a pencil. Push the knife in, okay? And then with the grip of your middle finger, you're only I lift up the deck before I do this. Only hold the deck on the sides, okay? Just right here with your left hand. And then that alleviates all the pressure from the bottom card. And then with your middle finger, when you go to pull the knife out, okay? The thumb's on the knife, holding it like a pencil. You're just pulling the bottom card out, okay? And you can get it, the deck's cut. It looks like the knife came out right here, and there's even cards out here, and that's where they inserted the knife, but it's actually, you're just grabbing the bottom card with your middle finger, pulling it out, and then just show them. You could have, selected any one of those cards with the knife, and you turn it over, and it's their card. So, get the card to the bottom, okay? Have them stick the knife in anywhere in the deck, all right? I lift up the deck just like this. Gives me this grip on my middle finger. Hold the deck on the sides, and then when you pull it out, okay, just practice that. You're just pulling the card with your middle finger, and pressure on the pressure on, it'll push on the knife. Pull that card out, and then turn these over, and boom, that's their card. Okay, and that's an easy card stab with knife, and it's pretty effective when done right. So once you put the knife in and you have the deck and you can show them immediately their card and then fan out. So it's really a neat little trick. Okay, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And until next time.